How to change Google account phone number. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Gmail on your device. First and foremost, make sure you are on the correct Google account where you want to change your phone number. For that, tap on the circle with the profile picture at the top right corner. A list of all the Google accounts on your mobile device will appear. Select the Google account where you want to change the phone number. Once you are on the correct Google account, tap on the circle with the profile picture again. Now, tap on Manage your Google account button. Then, Google account settings will open up. Tap on Personal Info. Scroll down to the Contact Info section. Over here, you will see your current phone number. Tap on it. Again, single tap on your phone number. Then, tap the pencil icon. A Google verification screen will appear. Enter your password or use your fingerprint or passkey to verify it's you. Once verified, tap on the pencil icon again to change your phone number. From here, you can update your phone number. Let's begin the process. Tap Update Number. Then, remove your current number. Select the correct country code and enter the new number you want to use. After entering the new number, tap Next. Now here comes the main part. To confirm that the number you entered is yours, Google will send a verification code to that number to verify. Tap on the Get Code option. Now enter the code you received on your new number. Finally, tap Verify. If the entered code is correct, then your phone number will be updated. And boom! You have successfully learned how to change your Google account phone number. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.